Once upon a time, in a beautiful coral reef, lived a tiny barracuda named Billy. Billy was smaller than most of his friends, but he was full of curiosity and big dreams. Every day, Billy would swim around the reef, exploring the colorful corals and playing with his friends. He loved to learn about the sea and its many wonders. One day, while exploring a new part of the reef, Billy found a strange, glowing stone. It was unlike anything he had ever seen before. Intrigued, he picked it up and held it close. Suddenly, a strange light enveloped him, and Billy found himself in a strange, dark place. He was scared, but he remembered his brave heart and decided to find a way back home. As he swam through the dark waters, he noticed that the glowing stone was glowing brighter. It was guiding him, leading him towards the way out. Soon, he found himself back in the familiar, colorful coral reef. His friends were worried, but when they saw the glowing stone, they were amazed. Billy told them about his adventure and the new place he had discovered. His friends were impressed and asked him to lead them there. The next day, they set off on an adventure of their own. They swam through the dark waters, guided by the glowing stone. When they reached the new place, they were amazed by its beauty. From that day on, Billy was known as the bravest barracuda in the reef. He had not only found a new home for his friends but also a source of knowledge and adventure. And every night, as they swam under the moonlight, Billy would tell stories of his adventure, inspiring his friends to be brave and curious just like him. The end.